Sorry. Alright, so finally caught up with them after taking some detours to park at the Walmart. But these are the monks that are walking for peace, and many of them are from Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, many of which places I've all have been to. It's really nice there, and we're actually going to a Buddha temple, which is cool because I had no idea that we have one of those in Georgia. I've been to a few in Thailand and Cambodia near Siem Reap. Very nice general area. And that's the cute doggy. So tell me what peace means to you. And it's really crowded here too. Let's see here. There's so many people here. I had actually thought that they were coming down a different street, Francis Street, but I caught them directly on hand. And it's pretty chilly out here. I say it's about maybe 40 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take. But I have on many layers of clothes, so pretty warm, and I'm walking at a very fast pace. So definitely warm. Yeah, it keeps you warm, right? So, yeah. 2,300 miles and surviving off of donations from generous people. It's very cool. You can see so much joy on many of the people's faces here. It's actually quite spectacular, I should say so myself. He gave the little girl a flower. Very sweet. So the guy, the monk in the very front, is their leader, and they're all from Fort. They started in Forth Wort, Texas, and today is the 69th day, and it is currently New Year's Eve. Actually, I actually have a flight to catch to New Orleans at 5, so film some content there for New Year's Eve tonight. So. get in people's shots. So I'm walking around. Excuse me. I want to get in front so I can get a good shot. Legs are actually burning. So I'm going to Mexico next month for about a month and a half, but then I'm going to fly back to the States to see the end of the peace journey in Washington DC. I think that's really cool that they are walking for what they believe in. What everyone should believe in too. Peace is very important. I don't know if you saw my last video. I posted right here, but I was actually in El Paso, Texas, near Dallas, Plano, and it was a lot of what some could be considered hate words displayed. So it's cool that across America there is hate in Dallas, Texas, as you can see in my video, but there's peace here. Just gives you like a different constellation of people's mentality, which I think is fairly cool. I'm gonna get in front and wait up here so I can continue to walk as they stop, so I can get a different shot. Thank you so much for the walk. Thank you so much for the walk. Thank you all so much for the walk.
Good boy.
So I got that shot, which is cool. The dog is like really, doggy is really fresh. Really fresh. And so I wanted to make this video because I haven't seen any vlogs about it, and my grandma, she's not really much of a walker per se, so it's nice that I'm filming this content so that she can see it and experience it kind of sort of in first hand, but not really. I haven't seen any vlogs or blogs about it, so it's cool that I'm here seeing it in person to share with you all.
Don't worry, I got a video.
To share with everyone here. Oh, that's my phone. And look how many people are outside. And yeah, that's where I parked over there, the Walmart, which I had no idea they were passing here. No idea. And these people right here, they're here for like an hour earlier. So and now we're going to the Walmart parking lot. Maybe we'll stop at my car. And the parking lot is super crowded now. The parking lot was not like that when I left 30 minutes ago. Not like that at all. Sorry. And you know, that's the great thing about living in America. You can practice what you believe in, do what you want to do. So sorry. Practice what you believe in, do what you want to do. You can't do this in certain countries, so this is really nice. Looks like they're stopping. Oh, so we gotta get out the parking spaces.
Come in, stay.
So sorry. But yeah, now we're in the Walmart parking lot. It's pretty cool out here. And look at the.
Please stay back, don't go for it, please. Give them room.
Try to give them room. I'm gonna go on the other side by the tree over here. Excuse me. Oh, so they're eating right now. I'm gonna ask the officer a question real quick. It's just some actual thing. No? Sorry. So I guess I can go upload this video real quick and come back here. I wanna ask how long it'll take to for them. Yeah, look how many people are out here. So many. Oh, this is nice. Walmart is housing them. Very cool. Hey bro, quick question. Do you know how long it's going to take for them to eat lunch?
Absolutely no clue.
Because I was thinking about just going to go upload this 14-minute video now on YouTube.
Yeah.
And then come
I'm like,
back.
I have no clue.
I parked like right over there.
No,
so.
I literally, I'm laying in bed. It's like, I don't know.
I'm recording, by the way.
Yeah. I was laying in bed and my mom called me. She was like, hey, you know, there's these monks there. And I'm like, oh, I'll go get dressed, I guess.
Yeah, my mom told me actually, my sister and my mom told me actually when I was in Tallahassee for my sister's Christmas party or whatever. And so I was like, yeah, I just started YouTube. Let me go out there and check it out.
Yeah.
So it's cool though.
Yeah.
Have you been to any of the countries these?
No, I haven't. This is like first I've ever heard of them or anything.
Really?
And I was like, hey, you know, go get your sister up, go get her dressed, and I'll go get ready too, and we'll all get together in the car. And so we went down. You know where the aquatic center is over there? That's where we started. That's where we joined.
Gotcha. Yeah, I had parked in the Walmart parking space down there. And then I walked all the way down that way because I thought they're going to be going that way, but they're going this way.
They're going this way.
So I was like, oh, I got the perfect spot.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I've been to Vietnam, Cambodia.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I've been a few places.
Yeah, no, I haven't
Thailand. But I've been to some temples and whatnot, and I just found out that we have a temple here. I just recently.
We do?
Yeah, I had no idea. Cool. So, and that's where they're walking today.
Oh, wow.
So it'd be nice to.
Hey, how you doing? How are you doing? I'm surviving. It's hot. I put too much on.
I agree with that as well.
I gotta take my scarf off.
I
love this scarf,
but yeah, bro, it's nice meeting you. You got a YouTube or something?
So I originally didn't have anything like that, but then I started up an Instagram, and I do a lot of aviation photography.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's nice.
Planes and whatnot.
Gotcha. For like the,
PDK, Peachtree DeKalb Airport.
Yeah.
Lawrenceville Airport. And I'm currently working towards my private pilot's license.
Oh, cool. Gotcha.
Yeah.
You want to shout out your Instagram?
Instagram is Advocate. I can't remember what the numbers are anymore.
Well, anyway, he's taking some cool pictures. But it was nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you too.
Ciao.
Have a good one.
Alright, I'm about to go upload this video, but look how many people are here. There's so many people here. Alright, I'm gonna go upload this video now for you guys so anyone who's in tune can watch this video. And yeah, I'll be back. They're eating lunch right now, so I'm taking a break.